Best sales funnel builders to create a sales funnel for customers. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a list of funnel builders that help you create your own professional email marketing campaigns, funnels, and landing pages. So let's get started. Up first, we have Getresponse.com. What you have to do is simply open up Getresponse.com and you will land right here. GetResponse is a powerful, simplified tool to send emails, create landing pages, and automate your marketing. GetResponse is really famous for its website building and email marketing. When it comes to GetResponse, it is all-in-one platform that allows you to create your own sales funnels. If we talk about the features, we get email marketing, and in email marketing, we are getting email creators, email analytics, list management, and more. Then we have conversion funnels. We can create our own sales funnel and lead magnet funnel using GetResponse. There is marketing automation available as well. We can create our own websites, add live chats, create landing pages, webinars, sign up forms, and paid ads as well. You can also create your Facebook and Google ads using GetResponse. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account. With GetResponse, you will be able to get your business online, boost your online sales, and engage with customers. The editor is very simple. It's a simple drag and drop, and you can create your own professional email marketing campaigns, websites, and landing pages very easily. If we talk about the pricing plan, then there is a free plan available on GetResponse, and it is going to be free forever, and it has all of the features for us, such as website builder and email marketing. Then there is a paid plan, which is going to be $13.30 per month, and it has all the features such as automation, webinars, live chat, e-commerce features. So the pricing plan is quite reasonable. GetResponse is all in one pretty good platform for your sales funnel. Next on the list, we have ClickFunnels.com. You might have heard about ClickFunnels. It is another one of the very famous funnel builders out there. With ClickFunnels, we can create our own email marketing campaigns and landing pages. We can also build a website and store using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is really famous for its business option that helps you create your online products and sell them. You can also learn a lot from ClickFunnels, and it helps you build and grow your business. The signing up process for ClickFunnels is really easy. You can try it out for free. You can also do affiliate marketing using ClickFunnels. It allows you to sell your products, and you can also create follow-up funnels using ClickFunnels.com. Next, we have System.io. System.io is very professional and advanced ClickFunnels platform out there that allows you to grow your online business. ClickFunnels is really easy to sign up for. You can simply add your email address and get started. Then we're getting our own sales funnel where we can create funnels easily based on proven templates. We can also create unlimited email marketing campaigns and send professional emails. There is a website builder available. We also get an affiliate program, business automation, and evergreen webinars. Online courses, blogging, and sell product option is available. With sell product, you can become a drop shipper or sell your own product. So System is also another all-in-one platform that allows you to grow your business. With System, you can create professional email marketing campaigns by just a simple drag and drop. The editor is very easy, and you can create your own landing pages and websites very easily, even as a beginner. It also has all the right automation options for you that help you automate your business. If we talk about the pricing plan of System, then we are getting 4 plans. The first plan is completely free, and we can send unlimited emails, create a blog, create courses, tags, and A/B split testing. Then we have a starter plan, which is going to be $27 per month, a webinar plan, which is for webinars, and it is $47 per month, and an unlimited plan, which is $97 per month. And we get all of the unlimited options right here with this plan. You can also go with a yearly planning, and if you think System is the right platform for you, you can simply choose your plan and sign up. Next on the list, we have Groov funnels. You might have heard about Groov as well because it is the world's fastest growing, most complete and powerful CRM and email marketing automation platform. What you have to do is you will simply go to groov.cm and you will land right here. With Groov, we get a lot of different features and tools, such as Groov Pages, where you can build your own website with the fastest, easiest, and most powerful drag and drop website builder. There is a high converting funnels, and you can create multi-page funnels using Groov Funnels. Then there are secure checkouts available that help you create flexible payment plans. There is a Groov Mail, which allows you to create your online email marketing campaigns. It has easy communication tools. Then there is an affiliate program, which is known as Groov Affiliate, and you can become an affiliate using this plan, which allows you to create your online store and you can sell physical products. You can also do drop shipping using Groov. Then there is a Groov Member, Groov Video, and Groov Blog, where you will be able to create your own videos, achieve your goals, and create a secure blog. We also get automation option with Groov that allows you to automate your business and save time. There is a Groov webinar, which is free and powerful, that allows you to create your own live webinars, and you can also do moderation. So if you're looking for all-in-one platform that has all the features for you, then Groov is a very good platform. Groov Funnel is completely free to sign up for. You can simply go ahead and sign up right now. We get a lot of different templates too for landing pages and emails. Last but not the least, we have LeadPages. What you have to do is simply go to leadpages.com and you will land right here. LeadPages is another small business platform that allows you to build your own free websites, high converting landing pages, pop-ups, and beyond. You can simply sign up for LeadPages for free. The process is super easy. And then if we talk about the features, we can create our own professional funnels with a simple drag and drop editor. We can also create our own landing pages. It is code free. We can create high converting funnel pages, multi-pages funnels, and also create our own affiliate products. So LeadPages is also all-in-one platform for you to use for your funnels. If we talk about the pricing plan of LeadPages, we're getting two plans. We have a standard plan, which is going to be $49 per month. And then we have a pro plan, which is going to be $99 per month. With standard, we're getting our website, free hosting, lead notification, and more. And with the pro plan, we will be getting 3 sites, landing pages, unlimited traffic, free hosting, and more options. We also get unlimited A/B split testing with the pro plan. So you can simply go ahead and choose the right plan for yourself and get started with LeadPages. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know the best sales funnel builders to create a sales funnel for your customers. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.